We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for reversal for buy after the price drop, since the price was within this one. And if you refer to my last analysis, when the price was here, we mentioned if we wants to look for continuation, we mentioned we wants the price to give us one more drop, exactly similar to what we get here. Because at that time, so we were discussing based on 15 minute, because if we move to 15 minute, exactly the price was at the top. I was keep highlighting that if we wants to look for trade, less the price give us one more drop, exactly this is what we get, then we can have entry either above this or above here. Okay, this is the reason, because when we get the drop, then we can have entry. But if the price was here, we put the entry here, simply the price can take and reverse. Okay, then made, because for this one we get that the price drop, then there was a reversal. How about if the price tag and drop? Okay, this is the reason most of the time we mention when we are in the correction, let the price give us one more drop, then we can have entry above this. This is what I was explaining, because we were been looking for this move. Okay, anyway, we move to 1 hour chart. Now I want to see what's the next. All right, this is what we have been looking for, and this is what we get. And if anyone get any trade within this, they have to start to manage. Now I want to see whether this one can continue, because if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned if we get any trade set up with the breakout of the desktop, we have to start to manage, and the target was, the first target was 0.1697. Now we want to see whether there is a continuation, the price can tag the target and break or not. Okay, anyway, we move to daily chart. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. We have been looking for correction and continuation. Now we're looking for this one. We want to see whether the price can continue. Okay, rather than that, we have nothing to discuss, and we move to forward chart. All right, even based on forward chart, we have been looking for this correction, and this is what we get. But if we put this one in relative to the previous stop, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That's why we need to be quite careful. We expecting this one to continue, but if this one turn to a corrective move, we need to be quite careful. Either the price can reverse or turn to a bigger correction. That's why if we want to look for trade setup, we have to have a proper proper management. And if I move to 1 hour chart, still we can put this one as a flag in relative to this. Still we can look for trade as a short term. Okay, anyway, right now the only thing is we want to, any trade within this move we have to start to manage. Maybe we can expect to get one more trade as a running flat, but any trade we consider as a short term, as I explained, based on forward chart. Because if it's give us a sharp move is good. If it's tend to a corrective move, we should be aware that may the price either reverse or give us a deeper correction. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart, and if I see any update I will share. Thanks.